Hey everyone, Tyler from Equities Lab here, and I'm excited to talk about our recent integration with TradeKing. First off, existing members, all you have to do to start trading with TradeKing is to log in via the brokerage settings that we've set up under your account. New users, we have offered you the Equities Lab basic package completely free of charge just for being a member of TradeKing. To take advantage of that, first you'll need to download Equities Lab, which you can do anywhere on this page, and log in using the TradeKing option found here. Typically, you'll go through an authorization process each time you log in for security purposes. And at that point, all of your positions will be ported onto the home page here. From here, you can analyze your current holdings and execute trades. Say I want to sell a share of OC. I can go ahead and have that executed almost instantly. But better yet, let's use Equities Lab to actually find new investment ideas. Equities Lab has built hundreds of screens formulated to help any investor find their next position. Now for this video, I'm going to personally focus on the tried and tested feature screeners, say the Great Value Score, which is a proprietary screen and formula built by the founders of Equities Lab. So as you can see, we've just been given results. We've been given 11 companies that fit our criteria. To better analyze these positions, let's go ahead and plot a variable, say a Petrosky score. And we'll rerun that. Now we get the same results, but when I hover over them, I can now see that each company has a Petrosky score of X, Y, or Z. Now, how do I know whether or not this screen is even worth investing in? Thankfully, Equities Lab has back testing. We have 20 years worth of data for you to test a strategy to see whether or not that strategy did well in the past. So we will go ahead and go to the all, and we're going to go ahead and run that. Now we do run this on a quarterly basis. You can change that. You can add pretty much whatever you'd like. You can have it trading on specific models. You can have it rebalancing on a more frequent or longer basis. You can add stop losses, stop gains, trading costs. Basically, the world is endless when it comes to how you analyze and how you build these strategies to make it fit your investment philosophy. Historically, the strategy has worked incredibly well when compared to the S&P 500. And the Petrosky score is between a 6 and 7 typically, which is what we deem a good Petrosky score. Now let's go make some trades. So we're going to head back over here to our results, and we're going to assume that I did my due diligence when it came to Ford. And we're going to go ahead and execute a buy order for Ford based on this strategy. So we're going to go ahead and buy a single share of Ford. Press OK. As you can see, that got executed incredibly quickly. See, on the flip side, I didn't like SEM, Select Medical Holdings. And I wanted to go ahead and short that. All I have to do is press the short box here and press OK, and it'll have that trade executed as well. Now, in order to track these will be added to your positions, but if you wanted to track this entire set of stocks, go ahead and publish this as a watch list. What that does is that'll basically give you sell signals when they no longer fit the Great Value Score criteria. So we're going to go ahead and save that and go back to our screen. Now, this is just a small demonstration of what Equities Lab can do and how it can benefit your overall portfolio. There are screen after screen after screen of analysis that we can do. And from that point, we're able to actually figure out what investment strategies work better compared to others historically and how we can better invest in the future. Do you still have questions? If so, go check out our blog. You'll see our founders and myself posting articles there on how we use this software in our own portfolios and for our own studies. Ready to dive into this free offer? Click any of the download buttons on this page and you can start using Equities Lab today. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. Thank you again and happy investing. Goodbye.